I'm thirsty. I think I'll get myself a soda from the vending machine. Hey. Why won't this money go into the vending machine? I want my Coke. I'll have to try again. Are you kidding me? I want my freaking Coke. I'll try one more time, and I'll break the vending machine if it does that again. Finally. Oh, come on. Why won't this vending machine give me my freaking Coke? I want my Coke. Come on. Give me my Coke. Give me my freaking Coke, you stupid vending machine. That's it. I'm breaking this stupid vending machine. Yes. I finally got my Coke. Serves of stupid vending machine right for refusing to give me my Coke.
Man. I'm so thirsty. I think I'll get a drink from. Dark General Guy. What happened to the vending machine? Why is it broken?
I broke the vending machine because it refused to give me my Coke.
What? Oh, my God. Dark General Guy. I can't believe you did that. That's it. I'm calling General Guy. Hello. General Guy. Did you know what your dark clone did? He broke the vending machine. Can you please ground him? Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Dark General Guy. I cannot believe you broke the vending machine. You know that can get you arrested.
But General Guy. The vending machine refused to give me my Coke. I'm sorry.
It does not matter. And your apology is denied. You're grounded for 43 days. Go to your room right now.
What?